full motion. It's going in full motion. Bending in full motion.
Oh, here it goes.
I'm not nervous.
Here it goes.
It's gonna bend on the front, is it?